Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to join the TubeBuddy affiliate program. Also, before we get started, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. Alright, so first, before you start the process of joining the TubeBuddy affiliate program, you need to have an account opened with TubeBuddy. So if you want, you can use my affiliate link from the description, or you can just type in TubeBuddy account and open it that way. It takes just a few minutes. So once you have your TubeBuddy account opened and set up, you can go to your browser and type in TubeBuddy affiliate. From there, click on the first link that you see. And here is the TubeBuddy affiliate program starter page. So TubeBuddy will give you a link to share to your audience by creating email campaigns, social posts, etc. And they will track everything regarding the link, and then if people that you referred stay with TubeBuddy, you will earn up to 30% recurring commissions. So if that sounds good to you, you can click Sounds Good, Sign Up. Now, once you click on that button, you will be redirected to your profile dashboard page under the affiliate section. So here, you first need to select your affiliate code. Now keep in mind you can only use letters and numbers with no spaces. So I will just use my channel name. And here, TubeBuddy gives you an example of how your referral link would look. After this, you need to type in your PayPal email address to be paid each month. At the moment, TubeBuddy can only pay out affiliates using PayPal, so that is your only option. So after typing your PayPal email address, you can just press Submit button right here. And after you click Submit, you will be redirected to your affiliate dashboard. So on this dashboard, in the future, you will be able to see your referrals as well as your payments so far. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out our Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.